Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miko Bersamin. I'm from Group 5. I'm here to discuss about Guillermo Masangkay, the Cry of Pugadlawin. Here are the contents of my report. Guillermo Masangkay, also known as Guillermo Masangkay Mendoza, born on June 25, 1867 in Tondo, Manila. He died on May 30, 1963. He is often associated with the Cry of Pugadlawin, which is marked the beginning of the revolution. He was a Tipunan member and revolutionary leader under the leadership of Andres Bonifacio. The Cry of Pugadlawin, which took place on August 23, 1986, was a significant event in Philippine history. Historical background, role in the Katipunan. Guillermo Masangkay was a member of the Katipunan, a secret revolutionary society founded by Andres Bonifacio in 1892. The Katipunan aimed to achieve Philippine independence from Spanish colonial rule and played a crucial role in the struggle for freedom. Cry of Pugadlawin. Guillermo Masangkay is particularly associated with the Cry of Pugadlawin, a pivotal event in the Philippine Revolution on August 23, 1896. Under the leadership of Andres Bonifacio, Masangkay and other Katipunan members gathered at Pugadlawin in what is now Quezon City. They tore up their cedulas, which were residence certificates and symbols of Spanish colonial control. As an act of defiance, this event marked the beginning of the armed resistance against Spanish rule. Historical background, revolutionary contribution. Guillermo Masangkay, like many other Katipunan members, was actively involved in the revolutionary movement. He and his fellow revolutionaries conducted various activities to advance the cause of Philippine independence, including recruitment, organizing, and planning action against Spanish authorities. Fight for independence. The actions of Masangkay and his compatriots were part of a broader movement to achieve Philippine independence. The Philippine Revolution, which was characterized by various uprisings and armed conflicts, ultimately led to the declaration of Philippine independence from Spain on June 12, 1898. Guillermo Masangkay is remembered for his role in the early stage of the Philippine Revolution and for participating in the Cry of Pugadlawin, which is celebrated as a significant event in Philippine history. His contributions and sacrifices, along with those of other revolutionaries, are honored as part of the country's struggle for independence. Motives of writing. Guillermo Masangkay is not typically associated with writing the Cry of Pugadlawin because this event is primarily recognized as a historical event, not a written work. Instead, the Cry of Pugadlawin refers to the symbolic tearing of cedulas or residence certificates by Filipino revolutionaries under the leadership of Andres Bonifacio on August 23, 1896. This event marked the start of the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonial rule. The motives behind the Cry of Pugadlawins were primarily political and revolutionary in nature. Guillermo Masangkay, like the other Katipunan members, participated in the event to express their collective defiance against Spanish colonial oppression and to signify their commitment to fighting Philippine independence. The tearing of the cedula was a powerful and symbolic act of resistance, a declaration that the revolutionaries were no longer subject to Spanish rule. The motives of the revolutionaries, including Guillermo Masangkay, were deeply rooted in their desire to end colonial domination and establish sovereign Philippines. Their actions were driven by a commitment to national identity, freedom, and self-determination. The Cry of Pugadlawin serves as a powerful symbol of the Filipino people's resolve to break free from Spanish colonialism and to forge their own destiny as an independent nation. Summary: Guillermo Masangkay, also known as Guillermo Masangkay Mendoza, was a Filipino revolutionary and a member of Katipunan, a secret society dedicated to achieving Philippine independence from Spanish colonial rule. He is notable for his participation in the Cry of Pugadlawin on August 23, 1896, which marked the beginning of the Philippine Revolution. During this event, he and fellow Katipunan members, under the leadership of Andres Bonifacio, tore up their cedulas, resident certificates, symbolizing their defiance against Spanish colonial oppression. Guillermo Masangkay's roles in this historic event reflect his commitment to the cause of Philippine independence and his contributions to the nation's fight for freedom.